posting stamps. Kitte, please.
Cut it.
Kitte is a conjugation of a verb, kiru, which means to cut. So we can say, 切ってください. Please give me posting stamps. 切ってください. Please cut it. 切ってください. Please give me posting stamps. 切って. We usually omit particle o in daily conversation. In grammar, 切ってをください. 切ってをください. But we usually omit in daily conversation o, so 切ってください. Please give me posting stamps. 切ってください. Please cut it.
If we add particle o after 切って、we can say both 切ってをください and 切ってをください. But in this case, we don't usually say 切ってください. We usually say 切ってください because it sounds like one phrase. And about 切ってください, which means please cut it. We can say both 切ってください and 切ってください. In most cases, we say the second one.
We usually understand the meaning by its context. Don't worry about them too much. ね。Don't worry about them too much. あれね。そうだそうだね。Don't worry なんだよね。はい。Good luck with your studies. Bye bye. 切ってください. Please give me some stamps. 切ってください. Please
Cut it.
あー、こ